You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak.
Hey everybody, and welcome back. I think I just said that backwards. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you are coming back for another day of homemaking. Today's video is in collab with some of my friends that also live in mobile homes. So I'm going to leave a playlist linked in the description down below, and I will also leave the playlist at the end screen of this video. So if you stay till the end, you can just click on the playlist. But we are all cleaning our mobile homes today, so I hope that this brings you some encouragement, and let's get to cleaning.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. See that I think you're brave, and if it all falls.
So I'm just cleaning up the bathroom now, but I also wanted to take this time to thank you all. So many of you have left some comments lately on my videos because they are a little bit different. They're more relaxed and calming, and it means so much to me that y'all are so supportive of the newer format of the videos, and I just appreciate it a lot. So thank you so much, and I hope you are enjoying this one too.
Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
So I'm just going to fold those clothes that were in the bathroom. And then you see this plaid gown. Oh my gosh, it is the softest gown I've ever had. I live in this thing. And so I'm going to leave it out on the bed because I'm going to wear it tonight.
Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So I filmed this video after the weekend, which is when we always have a big mess in the kitchen. So I'm going to get the kitchen straightened up today. And if you notice the fairy decor on the kitchen table, I'm going to be decorating with that on tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. But we also have a frost coming in, so I may update y'all on like what I do if we're having to prepare for a frost. But I will be covering up all my plants that are outside tonight, because tonight is the frost for us. It's gonna get down to, I think, 34 degrees, which is not freezing, but it is really, really cold for my little plants out there. So I'm gonna be covering those bad boys up.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Chloe is so ready for me to take her outside. I'm sitting here trying to peel off of this Cheeto label so I can save this container, because it's a good plastic container and I don't want to throw it away. I did get it clean, and after that I am going to take Chloe outside because I have some leftover pot roast that I need to take outside into the yard. Y'all have asked me if the pot roast was good, and it was good. Highly recommend. I love using my Crockpot to make a good pot roast. So if you're curious, I plan on putting either flour or sugar in this plastic container because it is like huge and it's the perfect size. And if you go to buy this size container at a store, it's probably going to be like $10. So it's very excited that we got to repurpose it after we ate the Cheetos. So I'm washing out my crock pot now, and I'm going to go ahead and dry it off too because it is huge and it takes up space on my counter. So I like to go ahead, get it all cleaned up and dried, and then put it back in the cabinet. Alright, y'all, so we are coming to the end of today's Clean With Me. But before you leave, I wanted to let you know that tomorrow's video is going to be a garden video. I'm finishing up decorating my little flower beds, which are some kiddie pools. I'm so excited I shared that with y'all because a lot of you said you've never seen someone use kiddie pools before. So yes, love using my pools. So affordable, just drill some holes in the bottom for drainage and you are good to go. But I will see y'all back here tomorrow for the garden video. But if you want some more cleaning motivation, be sure to click this playlist right here so that you can go watch all the other girls cleaning videos today. Bye!